Hi and welcome. My name is Angela Pearson and my slide presentation is on my $100 challenge, which is called Healthy Holidays. Why it's a multiplying investment. So welcome. My business model was simple. It was to meet women's needs for emotional clarity and add value-based living with a 2-hour Healthy Holidays class in an inviting and unique environment. So our goal was to accomplish this with a profit margin of $100. This business was unique because although many counseling businesses offer classes, it's not in the comfort of the kitchen and the living room of a trusted friend. So we were able to offer our clients a secure environment with high quality teachings that include value-based activities and learning the skills of unboxing relationships this season. The success of our model started with market research. After we did our market research, we advertised this unique class to friends and family for $12. Tuition and class topics were determined from SurveyMonkey results. We advertised to 96 people, friends and family, via individual text invitations. 24 people responded as shown by the red graph. The blue graph is how many people we advertised to. The red graph is how many people responded. And the tiny little sliver there of green is how many people accepted the invitation, which was a total of 4 registers. Payments were received via Venmo, and we had one individual pay but not attend. She just wanted to support the cause. And all profits were sent to kiva.com. So the class was a very productive class. It included healthy food, healthy activities, and healthy conversation. We received great feedback from the participants, telling us that the 2-hour investment of time and the $12 had given them great peace and clarity throughout this holiday season. I held the class on November 12th. I loved guiding the class, and I feel that I really had found a niche for myself during the teaching. So after conducting the class, we evaluated our earnings, which grossed $63 with a net profit of $54. This was below our financial goal, and after evaluating this fact, we've decided that people in our area are interested in this class, but didn't have time to come, or maybe they weren't willing to pay as little as even $12 for a self-help class. This problem can be solved when people receive self-help or mental health under their insurance coverage from a licensed or bigger company. So if we were to continue this business, we would need to address that fact and consider how to get approved for insurance purposes, maybe even. The next step in this business model would be to evaluate the market and do some research on how much of the market there really is for personal development classes, and if people will schedule time and pay money for these types of events. If not, then looking into a full-fledged counseling business could be entertained, but that would take much more research, and much more research would need to be conducted to take that step. Overall, I really enjoyed helping others, including people in Georgia, 2 women in Georgia who will be able to have their loans funded because of this venture. I loved teaching my friends and family what I've learned, and I loved being in my element, teaching what I know. This could be a viable business, but it will take much more market research to find ways to increase attendance. So my advice overall is to keep going, keep teaching, keep talking, and keep working on advertising and especially on market research. That's all I have, and thank you for watching. I look forward to reading your comments.